Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Astra's Site Builder. Alright, so we're here on our dashboard, and we want to navigate to the Site Builder. So over here on the left sidebar, hover over Astra and click on Site Builder. That should take you to the Layouts page, which gives us a catalog of everything we've made. For today's video, we'll make a simple one, let's say a hook. Okay, so we have a few here. We'll create a new one. And let's see what we can make. Let's start from the dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over Astra and click on Site Builder. Okay, so this takes us to all layouts, which is a catalog for all the kinds of things that we've made. Astra Site Builder allows us to create headers, footers, hooks, inside post call to actions, single layout. So if you wanted a layout for a type of page or posts, you can have that here. You can make custom archive layouts. So if you had category A, it would be laid out in a list form. If you had category B or tag B, you could have it in a grid layout, and you can make custom 404 pages. Okay, so let's do something simple and let's make a hook. Click on Hooks and click on Create New. That takes us to the block editor for site layouts. Okay, now let's take a look at what we can do with our blocks here. We can add anything. We'll call this logged in hook because we're going to set some options later on this hook only being visible to only logged in users. A bit of bad grammar there. Let's fix that. And let's say we want to put a container here. And you can add any block that you want, by the way. And we can choose something simple. Probably this one. Okay, and then we can just put text here. And we can put a heading. And we can put our text here. And we probably put a button here. Okay, so free shipping for members only. All right, and we can add a paragraph here, or yeah, let's put that there and say it's kind of a mouthful, but that's fine. And you can see here that we can make the text larger, and we can lay out the paragraph here and align it in the center, just like any other block. And this one, we might want to make it a bit smaller. And fix the tag there. Maybe add an exclamation. And then here we can add a button. Okay, and then we probably center this here. Align at the center. Okay, and then we can add a hyperlink here to our shop just by clicking the link icon here and hitting enter. All right, and we want to put some color onto this. So we can click on style and not a gradient, but probably just a color to match our theme. You probably use white or probably gray. And then this one, we want to put a custom background. Put that over there, and the text could be white or okay, that looks good. And this one, we can probably put the background on this. Oh no. This is fine. We want the background to have a color which is legible. And this looks good here. And then we might want to fix some padding here, margins. Okay, that looks good. Now, this is something that we can work with. Let's check out Astra's options for the site layouts. Okay, so over here on the right-hand side, click on this Astra logo, and you can see automatically our layout's been selected as hooks, and you can see the other ones that we can make. And here, for hooks in particular, we can select the placement, and we can put this on our header, on our footer, on our sidebar, in our cart, or anywhere else that you want. And you can see that there are a bunch of options here, but we'll put this on after header, and now we'll select the display and user conditions. We'll put this on display on entire website, and don't mess with this unless you wanted to hide it from certain pages, like the 404 page, for instance. And for display for users, we can check on all, or only for customers, subscribers, contributors, but we want only logged in users to be able to see this. So we'll display them on the entire website and only for users that are logged in. Okay, so let's preview this in a new tab and see what we're going to get. Okay, and that's how it should look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on Publish. And after this, it should be live on our site. Okay, it should be live now, and if you refresh this, let's see if we're a logged in user, and there it appears. Now, if we wanted to move this down a bit, let's go ahead and fix that real quick. We can put this on content top and update and see how that looks like. Okay, now it's done updating. Let's see where it moves. And it's still in the same general area. So let's tweak it a bit more. And let's put this head bottom. That might work. Okay, that's looking a bit better. And if you checked on the bicycle section, or if you clicked on our button over here, it takes us to our bicycle section. So this is what it's going to look like for a logged in user. So right now, let's go ahead and open a new browser with a non-logged in user, a logged out user, I should say, and see if our hook still appears. And as you can see on this new browser I have open here, you can see the cart's now $0 because it's a logged out user. And you can see that because we're not logged in, according to our site settings, users that are logged out can't see the shop page, and likewise, we can't see the hook here that gives us free shipping for members only. So, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's free, by the way, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us or comment them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.